Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm the owner of Beyond Glam Hair and Beauty Studio. And as you can see, I am feeling myself. Yes. So today's video is just a quick video on how I blow dried my hair. It's such a quick video, literally anyone can do this by yourself. So let's get into this. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button now and then subscribe, and also leave a comment. So yes, as you can see, my scalp is a bit dry, so I'm going to be using my favorite scalp oil, is the Indian hemp. I'm going to use it, just a tiny bit of it, just to refresh my scalp, making sure it's nice and moisturized. And then I'm going to be using a comb just to neaten up my parting, just to make sure that, you know, it's all nice and straight. So guys, this Tressemme blow dryer that I'm going to be using, literally there's a story behind it. Like, this is the reason why I realized I was meant to be a hairdresser. So basically I've had this for so long, like literally someone actually gave it to me. I was going to my friend's house, I think I was about 18, walking to Highbury to my friend's house, and some guy just gifted me like all this hair equipment, and I was like, yo. So since then I was like, this is a sign from God, I'm supposed to be a hairdresser. Anyway, let's get into the hair. So basically what I do is, like, I just take little section and then I want the hair off my face, so I just use the styling brush, just keep rolling it backwards. One thing I will tell you guys as well, this stuff is hot, okay? This tongue gets so hot that if you're not careful, you can actually burn yourself. Okay, so then I just twist it up and then clip it. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to hold in the heat, because it's the heat that's gonna curl the hair. So I'm gonna be doing the same thing all over, but I mean, this is so quick. That's why I'm not even fast forwarding in this video, because I want you guys to see how quick and easy to use this Tressemme blow dry tongs. And then I clip it again with my Crocodile clips. And then the rest, the bottom bit, I'm not gonna clip. I don't think I'm not gonna clip it. I'm just gonna blow dry it down because I don't want too much wave. I just want it to be a nice blow dry look. Oh, by the way, so I got ready to go and take some pictures for Insta, and then I realized that I've literally been having my hair in ponytail because it's been so hot in London. So there's no point in me styling my hair. So when I finished doing my makeup, I was like, oh damn, what am I gonna do? So I thought, you know what, let me just style it quickly. And I thought, actually, hold on, like, I've got a bit of time, so why not show you guys how easy it is to style your hair using the Tressemme styling brush. And I just literally just do the same thing on the side. Just comb it out, making sure it's all kind of like nice and sleek a little bit. Then I'm gonna grab a section, do the same thing, taking it off my face and wrapping the hair around it. Whoa, you can see from my face how hot this thing is. It can get so hot, so you have to be very careful. You know, I should have used a tongue glove, but I was in a hurry. Plus I'm used to using this anyway. So, but like, if you're a new beginner trying this out, I would advise you to use a heat protecting gloves. So yes, I'm gonna keep doing it until I feel like it's looking good. Can you see the struggle there, guys? Like, because it's so hot, I'm like, oh my god, please, I don't want to get burned. I'm gonna roll it up, twist it, and then I'm going to clip it up. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And again, roll it up, clip it up. Then I'm doing the same thing on this side. I'm not gonna clip it up because, as I said, I want the nice flowy blow dry effect. So it's just the front part because I want it off my face. That's why I'm clipping it up. But this part, I just want it to be down and look and bouncy. So I'm just gonna not clip it up. But yeah, it is so hot. Doing exactly the same thing with that part as well. Okay guys, so you have to make sure when you're sectioning it, make sure it's like really neat because sometimes it gets tangled. And obviously I'm looking in the mirror, so I'm kind of confused whether I put it at the back or, yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I am actually struggling trying to get it out. Oh my god. Finally. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Hopefully this one don't get stuck in it, like, please, because no one's got time to be fighting with the hair blow dryer. Okay, it didn't. Now I'm gonna go over it one more time just to make sure it's nice and fluffy and curl the ends a little bit in. Okay, so now it's time to remove the clips. Can you see the wonders that the clips did? Okay, just gonna brush it now. Guys, like, how amazing does it look though? And look, it was so quick. Literally, this was so quick. Now, who's this girl though? Who's this buff thing? Yay. Yes, she is ready. She is ready. Yes. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. So I'm just going over it with the blow dryer just to smooth it out one more time. But I love it, and it was so quick and simple. In literally under 10 minutes, you can get nice, bouncy, salon blow dried hair at the comfort of your own home. Yes, girl. Yes. Yes. I am ready. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another tutorial. And again, if you have any suggestions, please leave it in a comment. Thank you.